This Cook's Standard Non-Stick Frying Pan 8-inch is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It makes cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. The non-stick surface is a superhero against stuck food, so you can flip pancakes and fry eggs with pleasure. Plus, it helps you use less oil for healthier meals. This heavy-duty skillet pan is made from strong aluminum. It heats up quickly and evenly, like a warm hug for your food. No more hot spots that burn one side and leave the other pale. The 8-inch size is just right for single servings or small dishes. It is perfect for whipping up a quick omelette. The metallic finish looks sleek and professional, adding a touch of Bella to your stovetop. The Cook's Standard Non-Stick Frying Pan 8-inch aims to minimize messes. Food slides right off, so scrubbing becomes a thing of the past while a cover is not included. The pan's design helps contain splatters. This pan meets basic cooking requirements without fancy extras like a spout or registration. It is a reliable tool for everyday cooking, month after month, for anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims. The OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, good for omelets, heavy-duty build, durable material. Professional style, aluminum heats fast, even cooking, metal utensil safe 8-inch size. Cons: hand wash advised, may not last long, uneven heating, possible warping, handle might loosen, could be heavy, not very durable. Quality concerns: features. Non-stick surface 8-inch size, heavy duty, skillet pan, aluminum build, omelette pan. Professional quality, metallic finish, easy to clean, durable design. This Cook's Standard 8-inch frying pan is a strong and useful pan for your kitchen. It has a non-stick surface, so food will slide off easily, and it's simple to clean. The pan is made of aluminum, which helps it heat up quickly and evenly. It's a good size for making omelets or single servings. The pan has a professional feel and a shiny metal look. It's also designed to last, so you can use it for a long time. The Cook's Standard 8-inch non-stick frying pan is a heavy-duty aluminum skillet designed for professional use and good for making omelets due to its non-stick surface. It heats up quickly and cooks food evenly, and it's even safe to use with metal utensils. However, it's advised to hand wash it, and some users have concerns about its long-term durability, potential for uneven heating or warping, and the handle possibly loosening over time. Also noting it might be a bit heavy.